Good morning, students. Today we will study chapter 8. Chapter 8 means mathematical library methods. In Java library, there is a predefined math class under java.lang package. This class consists of many static methods to do various mathematical work, and these methods is used to make mathematical expressions. To use math classes functions in our program, we follow the syntax math dot method name and under bracket arguments. That means first we write the name of class, after that name of method, and then under bracket parameter. There is no need to create object to use any method of math classes because all methods are declared as static. So we just call any method by using class name and the method name. However, there are many methods declared inside a math classes, but according to your syllabus you have to learn only few methods like these methods. Here first method is math.pow. POW means power function. It is used to calculate the power like this. If you want to calculate 2 to the power 5, then you have to write in this way math.pow under bracket 2 comma 5. Here 2 is the base and the 5 is its exponent. It will calculate the value 2 to the power 5 and the result will stored in the variable result. In same way, if you want to find the square root of any value, then to find the square root we can write math.sqrt under bracket the number or value for which we want to find the square root. Suppose math.sqrt 25, it will return 5.0. Next function is math.cbrt. CBRT method is used to find the cube root. Cube root means root under cube root value of any given number. Suppose if you want to know the cube root value of 125, then you have to write like this system.out.println math.cbrt under bracket 125. It will display the value 5.0, that is the cube root of 125. Now for rounding the value we have to learn three different methods. First, math.ceil. Here ceil method is used to give the ceiling value. Ceiling value, that means the next integer of the given value. For example, if we write math.ceil 46.6, then the next integer of this value 46.6 is 47.0. in same way, if you write math.ceiling minus 46.6, then the next integer of minus 46.6 is minus 46.0. Then in each result there is a 0.0 because the return type of these all methods are in double, so 0.0 is already included in these results. The floor method gives us the nearest or just previous integer for the given value. For example, if we give math.floor 46.6, then 46.6 lies between 46 and 47. Then here ceiling gives 47 and floor gives 46, so its result is 46.0. And in same way for negative numbers, math.floor minus 46.6, it will give minus 47. To avoid any confusion, you can use a numbered line like this. If you want to find the value for ceiling and floor, just take the value 0 between this point, and suppose we have taken a value 0, and suppose this is positive 1, 2, 3 and so on. It is 46 and 47. Now the value of 46 lies between the value of 46 and 47. 46.6 lies between 46 and 47. Now the ceiling value of 46.6 is 47 and the floor value of 46.6 is 46, and minus 46.6 lies between minus 47 and minus 46. So the ceiling value for minus 46.6 is minus 46 and the floor value of minus 46.6 is minus 47. Now the next function is math.round. This function rounds the value to the closest integer. Like in mathematics, if the value is greater than or equals to 0.5, then it will give the next integer, otherwise it gives the previous integer. Look at the examples like math.round 46.6. Since 0.6 is greater than 0.5, so it will give 47. In math.round minus 46.6, it will give minus 47. For math.round 46.5, it will give 47, because 0.5 and greater gives the next integer, and for less than 0.5 it will give the previous integer. Now math.round minus 46.5, it will give minus 46. So it gives the closest integer for given value. One more function is available for rounding the value, that is math.rint, but it gives the result in double data type, and round gives the result in integer or long integer data type. Next function is math.abs. It gives the absolute value for a given number. That means if number is in negative, then it converts it in positive number. It always returns the positive number. Next function is math.max. Math.max returns the maximum number between two given numbers, value 1 and value 2. For example, if we write system.out.println math.max 46.6, 23.3. Now here 46.6 is the maximum between two, so it will return the 46.6. In same way, if we write math.max minus 46, minus 23, then since minus 23 is greater than minus 46, so here it returns the minus 23. Like max method, there is also a min method that finds the minimum between two values. For example, if you write system.out.println math.min 46.6, 23.3, it gives the result 23.3, and math.min 46 minus minus 46 comma minus 23, uh, then minus 46 is the small number, so it returns minus 46. The next function of math class is math.random. Here random means not in a sequence. It gives a number between 0 and 1. That means greater than 0 and less than 1. That means any real number or fractional number between 0 and 1. But there is no any sequence of that number. It can give any number in the range, but by using multiplying with any other number we can change the range. For example, if you want to generate any number between 101 and 202, that means from 101 to 200, then we have to generate by using this formula. First we find the range. Here range is 100 because from 101 to 200 there is 100 numbers, and we can find the range by using this formula. And after this we can apply this formula to get the any number between 101 and 200. After applying this formula we have to change it in integer value, because math.random function returns the value in double data type. So after calculation we just convert it into integer so that it can give an integer value. We can apply this method to uh, generate any number like dice and other games. There is no need to remember the value of phi, because in math class there is a constant declared math.pi. It gives the value of pi like this. These are some examples of mathematical expressions that can be converted in Java languages as following. If you have to write y equals to ax square plus bx plus c, then in Java you can write as y equals to a into x for ax square plus b into x for bx plus c, or uh, for x square you can also apply the math.power function like this: a into math.pow x comma 2, where x is the base and 2 is the exponent, that means x to the power 2, plus b into x plus c. In same way, c equals to root under a square plus b square. For root under we have to write math.sqrt like this: c equals to math.sqrt under bracket a square a into a, and for b square b into b. Like this there are more examples are also given in your book. Now here is an example where the math classes functions is used in programming. We have to input three sides of a triangle and find the area using Heron's formula. That means root under s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. By using this formula, first we have to take three sides from user. For that we have used the scanner class. Now declared the scanner and declared variables like side 1, side 2, side 3, s and area. Enter three sides of triangle. Side 1 equals to sc dot next double, side 2 equals to sc dot next double, side 3 equals to sc dot next double. We have taken three sides from user. After that calculate the value of s by using the formula side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 divided by 2, and then for root under we have applied area equals to math dot sqrt. after that s into s minus side 1 into s minus side 2 into s minus side 3, and in this way area is calculated. After that shows the area of triangle. Now you have seen that how can you apply the math classes function in your program. Thank you.